Maybe the iPhone SE 4 is the cheapest phone in 2025. But don't let the price fool you. This phone is packed with exciting upgrades that make it one of the best budget-friendly smartphones Apple has ever made. If you're looking for an iPhone that's powerful, stylish, and won't empty your wallet, then the iPhone SE 4 might be the perfect choice for you. Now, let's talk about the design. The iPhone SE 4 is getting a major makeover. Instead of the outdated look of previous SE models, this new version is based on the iPhone 14. That means a sleek 6.1-inch display, Face ID for unlocking your phone, and a USB-C charging port. Yes, Apple is finally saying goodbye to lightning cables. Now, let's talk about the display. For the first time in SE history, this phone could come with an OLED screen, giving you deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and a better viewing experience. However, don't expect promotion, so the refresh rate will stay at 60 Hz. But considering the price, this is still a huge upgrade. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone SE series has never been known for its cameras, but that's changing this time. The SE 4 is rumored to feature a 48 megapixels rear camera, a massive improvement over the 12 megapixels sensor in the previous model. That means sharper photos, better low-light shots, and improved details. On the front, there's a 12 megapixels selfie camera, so your video calls and selfies will look better than ever. Now, let's talk about the battery. One of the biggest complaints about older SE models was battery life. Well, Apple is fixing that. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to have a 3,279 mAh battery, which is nearly double the size of the SE 3's battery. This means longer screen time, more hours of gaming, and less worrying about running out of charge during the day. Now, let's talk about the performance. Apple isn't holding back when it comes to power. The SE 4 is rumored to have the A18 chipset, the same processor as the iPhone 16. It's also expected to come with 8 GB of RAM, which means smooth performance, fast app launches, and even support for Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI-powered features. Now, let's talk about the price. Even with all these upgrades, the iPhone SE 4 is still expected to be affordable. Reports suggest a price range of $450 to $550, making it the cheapest new iPhone in 2025. Plus, Apple and major carriers will likely offer deals, trade-in offers, and financing options to make it even more budget-friendly. So, should you wait for the iPhone SE 4? If you want an iPhone with flagship-level power, a modern design, and an affordable price, then absolutely. This could be one of the best value smartphones of the year. What do you think of the iPhone SE 4? Let us know in the comments below.